Hi, my name is Kay. Welcome if you're new, and if you're already a part of my crew, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 4 of my favorite smoothies. Let's write down those ingredients. Let's get started. First ingredient, banana. Second ingredient, 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Next, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. And last, 1 cup of milk of your choice. First step, 1 banana. Next, strawberries. Next, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. And last, milk. Put that lid on. Starting with banana. Next, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Next, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. And last ingredient, 1 cup of milk of your choice. First step, banana. Next step, peanut butter. Next, yogurt. And last, milk. Now the lid. Okay, first up, banana. Next, 1 cup of frozen mixed berries. Next, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Last ingredient, 1 cup of the milk of your choice. First step, banana. Next step, the mixed berries. Next step, yogurt. And last step, milk. Now the lid. First ingredient, 1 banana, next ingredient, 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries, next, 1/2 of a peeled orange, one cup of spinach or baby kale, next 1/2 cup of ice, last ingredient, which is 1 cup of the milk of your choice. Alright, for first step, banana. Next step, blueberries. Next, orange. Next, the greens. Ice. Milk. And now, the lid. Thank you again for tuning in today. If you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. And if you do try one of these smoothies or all these smoothies, leave a comment down below. Let me know which one you tried, or if you tried them all and what you thought. Well, that's my time for today, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, cooking and kisses. Bye.